Can you guess? Which one is the apple? Is it red and round, Link? Good job! Now where's the banana? Long and yellow? Awesome! Look, the grapes. Tiny purple balls, you're so smart! Oh, that's a mango, so juicy and yellow. Great work! And there's the strawberry red with a green hat. Amazing!
Can you guess? Which one is the carrot? Is it orange and pointy? Great job! Now find the tomato, round and red. Awesome pick! What about the broccoli? Looks like a tiny green tree. You're amazing! Seven! Look, the potato, round and bumpy. So smart! And there's the corn, yellow and tall with rows. Fantastic!
Can you guess?
Which one is the elephant? Big ears and a long trunk. Great job! Good job! Now find the lion. Fluffy mane and a mighty roar. Awesome pick!
Odd job!
What about the monkey? Swinging and jumping around. You're amazing!
All round!
Look, the giraffe.
Look!
Tall with a super long neck. So smart!
Oh!
And there's the zebra. Black and white stripes. Fantastic!
Fantastic!
A is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for banana, a treat to be fed. C is for cherry, a sweet little bite. D is for date, a delicious delight. E is for elderberry, in jams it's a star. F is for fig, a fancy fruit par. G is for grape, in a cluster so fine. H is for honeydew, a summer sweet vine. I love these fruits, A to Z.